It's 31st October 2025. Abhinandan. After I shifted to a second place, Airbnb place, going for an evening walk. You can see the beautiful sunlight over there at the backdrop of that building. Abhinandan here. So it is a Halloween day. You speak English?
Yeah.
Okay, where is the Halloween parade or carnival today?
Yeah. Today is Halloween day.
But I want to know where is the parade?
From?
I am from India.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
But where is the parade? Is there a carnival or a parade?
No.
Here it is not there? Okay. Someone told it is near San Francisco Bridge. San Francisco Church. Okay. Okay. How much is this, sir?
22.
Boliviano, how much?
22.
20.
22.
Okay. So people don't know, but they're all getting ready. It's not like a carnival like in USA. They do it in a organized way. Here, so I thought I took a small half-an-hour nap. Very tired. I have to see the crowd here. Crowd of people. So let me go around. Everyone are getting dressed up like that. I remember 8 years ago I was there in Las Vegas. Las Vegas was very fun at Fremont Street and all. This is at La Paz, Bolivia. So let me just walk around. What is going on, I do not know. A lot of people. Which side is the most happening, I do not know. But a huge crowd building up. Okay. So let me take a walk. I have to only be careful with my mobile. It is here, everything they'll be selling. It's a selling world. Thousands of people. Something or the other. Oh my God, that side, this side, full people. And it goes on from San Francisco Church is there at the end, more than a queue. So they'll have something like this chocolate. They exchange like that. Here they're also in Richmond and Las Vegas. Everyone keeps chocolate in front of their house. Trick or treat or something they call it. Huge crowd. I am just seeing. That's all. Take a walk. How far this will go? I'm just walking around. That side also a lot of shops are there. Lot of
Solcito caliente, solcito.
overselling. This is like a this starts from very far place. I came in the center. From the first place where I was staying to here it is about 1.5 kilometers. From there it starts. This side also, and there is that side also. I am just observing first time. There are a lot of things are there. Too much people. I can't imagine. Okay. I met that time in the evening. I met one girl at the San Francisco church near that. She gave her number. She told she want to come to India. I told give me your number. I will send you. What crowd? Full crowd. I can't imagine. So only I'm just seeing still how far it will go and then turn back. I think it ends here. Just to stroll around and go back. Maybe meet some people. I think this is the last point here. There's one big, oh, there it goes on. There's a lot of shopping that side. Let me go to that end. Here, they boil the orange. Put the fire. They put the fire, the orange becomes hot, and then they make juice out of it. Because it will be very cold. Fire comes there like that. Okay. So this was the end point. I'll go still that side. Like in India, you can simply walk anywhere. Means no traffic sensor. Like in USA. What is that? Okay. So I have got not some nice characters to take photos. In Las Vegas and all, they make some nice Halloween costumes, which was there even in here also. Everyone comes out, children's. I'll go see what is the shops over there. You can see one big Coca-Cola on the top. So I'll stop it at 12 minutes or 15 minutes, so I can upload it on Facebook. So I'll stop here for some time. It's too small, crowded, but thousands of people. I'm into one corner. Can you see the beautiful snow-capped mountain? I think it is Imi, some mountain name it is. It's a volcanic mountain. It's very far, it looks like that. That side also people. And see the beautiful snow-capped mountains. When I asked that hotel owner there, he told it's a 4 days trekking. I got stunned. 1 day and all is okay. 4-day trekking. So now let me stop. She's having a Indian Trishul like here too much people eat bread. So some university there. This is my 10th day, 9th day or 10th day? 9th day. Or you can say 10th day only. Another 10 days I've taken. Then I want to go to Santa Cruz. There's a crypto exhibition from 12th November. There's a crypto exhibition for 3 days. It is not free. It is some $15, $10, 15, 20, 50. So now let me stop and go around this eating place. It's a kind of like our Indian puri it is. Same like our Indian puri. Here too much this kind of processed bread. I only take integral. Integral means whole food. Two people playing chess. So see once like this. So anyhow, let me stop right now. If not, it won't get uploaded on the Facebook. Abhinandan here.
Thank you.
So it's a different kind of crowd compared to Lima, compared to Peru or to Colombia. I'll stop right now and I'll go around, have a look, and I will again record.